Yo, I got this problem with my Malibu, right? It's a 2018 Malibu to be exact. And I thought it was the battery in the keypad. But for some reason, sometime when I go to start this boy up, it won't start right up. Like I can be clicking it. Pop, 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 I get to clicking it, holding the key to it, like literally pressing the brake back and forth, but it won't start the car up. I'm gonna see if it do it this time. It might just start right up. See, look. I'm holding it right now, and I'm holding the brake. It's not starting up. It's not starting up. Okay, now it's starting. Let's see if I can get it to. And then sometimes it won't even turn off right. Like, look. And I changed the batteries in the keypad. I changed the battery. I swear to God, I changed the battery like twice already. Like, I thought it was just the keypad. But I'm starting to think it's some type of receiver or something between this joint and this. Look. Foot on the brake. Hand on the button. Nothing. Nothing again. And then sometimes, though, what's crazy is sometimes, like this morning to be exact, I was out here probably for 5 minutes just trying to get it to start. Like, I kept having to do it forever, man. Do y'all have this problem with y'all car? If so, how did y'all fix it, man? I like this Malibu, but this is very annoying, and I'm sick of doing this. And it's like iffy. It's very iffy. This morning, I actually thought it was over for me because it took the longest it ever took this morning. I was going to get the boy towed to the dealership or something. I changed the key battery. The key fob battery. I changed it. I'm going to change it again, though. But I'm sure I ain't the only person with this problem. Look. There, y'all just saw it 3-4 times of me doing it. And it didn't start up. Like, it's supposed to automatically start up. Boom. Boom. Nothing. Boom. Now it's starting. I don't know what it is. The battery under the hood is new. The battery in here, I changed a couple times, and it didn't necessarily solve the problem or the issue. So, I don't know, man. Y'all got some insight on this? Let me know. 2018 Chevy Malibu. I think the 18s, 16s, 19s, all of them, they look the same. But, yeah, help me out, y'all.